Entertainment. We're going to entertain you. We're so excited to have our first guest back with us in studio today, the mother-daughter dynamic duo with great knowledge, experience, and legal acumen, plus a personal approach that provides clients with what they call the golden touch. From the Golden Law Firm, please welcome attorney Peggy Jones-Golden and litigation manager and director of marketing, Kristen Golden. Hi, ladies.
Hi. Hello. Hello.
It's always a pleasure to get to talk with you both, to get to sit next to both of you. So let me get into it because, Kristen, I want everyone to be reminded of what the Golden Law Firm, it's located right off of Howe Mill.
Yes, we are.
Okay, in West Midtown area. And what areas of law do you practice?
So we practice auto accidents and truck accidents, and we also practice DUI cases and wills and trusts.
Okay, cover a lot of ground there. And we wanted to ask our viewers, we wanted to give them a chance to ask y'all questions, legal questions about DUIs. A lot of people have a lot of questions surrounding those topics. So we're going to play. It's the golden rules from Golden Law. Can we get right into it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's start with Attorney Golden.
Okay.
All right. Brenda from Villa Rica wants to know, Miss Golden, what club in Atlanta did you have your first drink?
Oh my God.
Brenda is getting a little personal, Brenda. Okay.
My first drink, that would be, it's between two.
Okay.
It was either Mr. V's Figure 8, which I believe was on Campbellton Road, or it's between the Mad Hatter and Underground Atlanta. So it would be one of those establishments, and that's when I was here to go to college. And at that time, the drinking age was 18.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I did not know that. See, full of knowledge, this one. All right, Kristen, thank you for sharing.
Okay.
Kristen, this question is from John from Alpharetta. Have you ever taken a shot and underestimated how fast it hit you?
I actually have. And when that has happened, I know that's when it's time to stop. There's no need for anything else. That shot did the job.
Yeah, right? And I know you brought some with you. This is not alcohol, but we wanted to ask Attorney Golden because this is a two-part question. Okay, it comes from Veronica in Smyrna. And she says, Attorney Golden, what is the DUI blood alcohol content level in Georgia? And around how many drinks constitute that?
So the DUI content level in Georgia is 0.08.
Okay.
And 0.08 equates to about 1.5 ounces of liquor, and generally that's 80 proof or above. And I just wanted to show you as a demonstration for visualization, this is about what a 1.5 ounce pour would look like.
Okay, so to Kristen's point, a shot, or if you have that in a mixed drink, that's over or to legal limit?
Not necessarily over, but the second part of her question was how many shots would it take? So it's no way to say exactly how many shots it would take because it's a lot of variables. It could be your weight size, whether you're male or female, whether you're on medication, whether you're drinking 80 proof liquor or 95% liquor.
Sure.
So all of those come into play. So what I would say is drink responsibly, and if you are going to drink, I think you should Uber or Lyft home.
Okay, Attorney Golden, question from Kara in Atlanta. She wants to know, that's me, she wants to know, are you always surprised that people don't, because I'm learning something and I did not know that, are you surprised that people don't know the legalities around drinking and driving, DUIs, or no?
I'm surprised that they don't know because it's been around a long time. It's very, very serious. The consequences are so great. Right. They are so great. So I am surprised if people don't know. Or I believe what happens is they don't realize how the alcohol can affect you.
Yeah, good to know. Okay, let's go back to our questions from viewers. This is from Donna in Marietta. She wants to know, Kristen, this is for you. What happens to the evidence in a DUI case once the Golden Law Firm gets involved?
So basically, we gather everything. That's the first thing we do. So we look for the body cam footage because that's super important. We want to see the initial interaction between our client and the officer. We pull the police report from from the county or the city that it happened in, so we can go through the details to see just exactly what really happened on paper. And we also make sure we get everything from that day from the client, because they're given just a lot of paperwork. So anything they're given, we want to review that.
Okay, you guys will have to come back because we're already out of time, but thank you for playing the golden rules with us and for you sending your questions at home. Quickly, tell everyone where the best way for people to contact you and how to get a hold of you.
They can always call us at our phone number, which is 404-870-0887.
All right, Kristen, Attorney Golden, thank you so much both for being here. You're such a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
I love sitting with you. All right, thank you to everyone for your questions. And if you have any others, please feel free to send it to us on our Instagram at ATL Co. And thank you to the Golden Law Firm for sponsoring that segment. After